In this video, you'll learn how to fit tier-on-tier shutters. They are being fitted inside the recess to the window frame. Place two 5mm packers on the windowsill and lift the frame into place. You can adjust the frame left, right, and up or down within the shadow gap. The aim is to create a neat equal shadow gap while ensuring the frame is still square enough for the shutters to fit. Use the wedges to create the shadow gap. This can be done by eye or by using the same size wedges each side. It's best to try the shutters in the frame to check it's square and that the shutter panels line up. If you have bifolding shutters, lay them out in the correct order so you can connect them together. The label indicates the top of the panel and they are labelled 1 to 4 from the left. Ensure the roller catches are equal and not protruding too far. They are adjusted using a flat head screwdriver. Connect the bifolding shutters by dropping a hinge pin into the two hinge parts. Lift the shutters into the frame temporarily. Start with the left set and then the right set. Ensure the shutters line up in the centre and fit squarely within the shutter frame. Do the same with the top set and make any tweaks to the wedges to adjust the frame position. You're then ready to fix the frame to the window, so you can remove the shutters. Using the correct screw length depending on the number of extensions, fix the shutter frame back to the window. Refit the shutters into place, starting on the left and fitting the hinge pins into place. Do the same with the top set. Make any adjustments to the roller catchers to help alignment or to tighten or loosen the closure. You can now remove the wedges from around the frame. The final step is to insert the white cover caps to cover the screw holes. These just push into place. And that's how simple it is to install a set of shutters. These are tier-on-tier 64mm louvers with a centre control rod, divided by a horizontal T-post opening two bifolding left and two bifolding right. If you found our video helpful, please share our website with your friends or send us some comments or feedback.